welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be tuning a Mk7 Golf GTD, so let's take a look.
Wine gums always make everything go faster.
So that's the car in, strapped on the dyno, but before all that we checked the oil and water and did a diagnostic scan to make sure the car's healthy for tuning, there's no underlying faults. Now we're going to do some initial base power runs to see what the car makes stock, and then we'll go from there. So these are a couple of the stock runs that we've done, and we came out with 183 horsepower, 185 horsepower, 284 to 281 foot-pound of torque. Bang on the money for a GTD. So a good healthy car. Today's interface of choice is the CMD flash, which we're going to use to download the engine calibration. And this interface doesn't actually read it directly from the ECU itself, it gets it from an online database. So what we do, as soon as you save the file, it'll go onto the database and it will download it, which all happens quite fast, and then we'll get on with tuning the car. So that's the GTD done. After a couple of fire revisions, we ended up with 235 horsepower and 339 foot-pound of torque, and you can see the stock horsepower, tuned horsepower, and stock torque and tuned torque. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you like what you saw, press the like and subscribe button at the bottom here, and then you can follow us. Go, press it. Press it. It's just down there. Give it a little press-a-roo. Press it! Thank you, and I'll see you later.